So what's up, Lego fans? I'm bringing you guys another video, and today is going to be another Star Wars haul that I ended up getting from Instagram. So I ended up getting this from an Instagram live auction, and I'll put his Instagram down below. And it was actually a fairly easy process in how to purchase this. So basically all I had to do was view the live stream on Instagram and just basically put bids on whatever minifig or figure that he had on there, and if you won, you won. If not, then you moved on to the next one. Now his Instagram is Maddie's Minifigures. I'll put that all the information on the actual video, and as well I'll put it down in the link below so you guys can check out his auction that he does on Thursdays. So let's get to this. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and open this package so you guys can see what I end up getting. Alright, so here's the first time me opening this. So this is the X-Wing I ended up getting. He didn't really know which version of the X-Wing it was. And I believe I got this one for around $40, I believe it was. I really can't remember, but you know, here it is, and I still gotta figure out which one it is so I'll know how to put it together, but it's still not too bad. And here I got the minifigs, which, you know, is definitely something worth getting. So the ones that I ended up getting was, let's see if I can open this. You guys already know Darth Maul had to be one of the best. You already know Darth Maul, he's one of the best villains in the Star Wars universe, and this one right here, wow, just definitely a great quality piece, and I definitely am glad I ended up getting that one. And he also has his dual lightsabers with the black handle. It's really not too bad, really well detailed, got print on the legs. It's a really good little piece. So next we got, I think this is Jabba's son, Stinky from the Clone Wars. If you guys can see that, that's a really good little addition just to have, and you know, I kind of like it. So next we have another figure. I think this one was Cody. I don't know if this was a full custom or not, but wow, this one is nice, really nice. He has the visor, the little shoulder piece, and also has the leg pieces on the side. Let's go ahead and open it. And he has the basic clone, the clone face, which I have close-ups in here so you guys can view it. It's actually really nice, really well detailed. And this one, I really don't remember. I think this one was $40 as well. It's really not too bad. A lot cheaper than Brinklinks, I think. But on to the next piece. So this is what everybody's been waiting for. You know, it's really hard to get. I got Rex right here. The only thing about this Rex, he's missing the visor, but it's not too bad. He comes with two pistols, as everybody knows that, you know, he has. And he has that regular Captain Rex face. Nothing too crazy, but the detail on this piece, this is a Phase 1 Rex as well, in case you guys didn't know. So let me just pop his head off real quick. So you guys can see that chest piece. That chest piece is actually really amazing, really well detailed. He has some printing in the back, no printing in the legs, but it's really not too bad overall. And his helmet, you already know the classic Rex helmet is actually really nice, really well detailed. He has the little lines on the side. It's actually really good. Let me see that. Yep. Wow. So actually, I'm really glad I'm getting this. Actually, altogether, unfortunately, the total was like $175 for the 4 minifigures. Well, I guess you could count Stinky as a minifigure, and then the X-Wing, which is not too bad if you really think about it. This is actually a great cop, just because, you know, it's a nice little lot. This Rex alone can go anywhere between like maybe $50 to $80, depending on the condition and the version of Rex that you have, as well as Cody. Especially having both of these together definitely is a nice piece. And then the Darth Maul as well is a great piece as well. And usually this one goes roughly for around the same price, around $30, $40. So it really wasn't too bad in the bank, I think. And if you get, and also I ended up copying another lot. I ended up getting a Battle Droid lot. So let me get to that. So right here I ended up So right here I ended up getting 67. Yes, exactly how that sounds. 67 battle droids. I mean, they're mixed with other ones as well. So you have the Geonosis droids as well, which is actually a nice, like for the collection wise. It didn't really come with that many of the Geonosis ones, but you have your standard battle droids, and just a few of them come with weapons. Not too bad, I don't think. This one right here is missing a little orange stud, which is not really too bad to replace. But yeah, overall, this is a great piece. I think this is actually a nice little lot. So I got 67, and I got a great deal for all 67. I ended up getting for about $95. So it really wasn't too bad in my opinion. And I also got a little other droids right here. This is I think the assassin droid. I can't remember the name, but this is actually one of my favorite ones. So let me know what you guys think about this Lego haul. I definitely plan on getting a few more Legos. I do have some that are on their way. And I did end up getting another one on this auction that came out Thursday. I ended up getting, I'm not going to tell you I got a Boba Fett, but I'm not going to say which one I got just to, keep the suspense up. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. So which one do you guys like better? Do you guys like Rex or do you guys prefer Cody? Me personally, I prefer Phase 1 Rex than Phase 1 Cody, but definitely they're both a great piece to have. So if you guys want to see anything specific, go ahead and comment down below, and I see you guys in my next video. See you guys.